This afternoon I'm going to show you a very, very simple strategy that you can learn in about 5 minutes. I'm going to show you a ultra simple strategy here today that you'll be able to learn this almost immediately. All right, so this chart is a NASDAQ chart, and this is running in the NinjaTrader platform. Here at NaviTrader, well, first of all, let me just tell you, I'm an S&P futures trader, also a NASDAQ trader. I've been trading futures markets for 20 plus years. All right, so I'm going to show you some ultra simple things that you can do here today. And this chart is our Trendicator charts. And I'm going to show you some things on these charts that you may not have seen before. Also, I see people doing seminars and offering training where you may spend thousands of dollars trying to learn technical analysis. I'm going to show you some things you'll be able to use right away. First of all, our price bars are unique. You won't see them anywhere else. The green bars indicate a move up, red bars move down. But the thing I want to focus in today is the consolidation bars. I just want to show you some things that just happen over and over again in these markets, and I use this every day in my own trading. In fact, let me see if I can zero in on this chart a little bit more so that you can see things a little bit better. All right, so right here you can see this gold frame bar. That's a consolidation bar. Look what happened when we broke below that consolidation bar. I'm going to show you what happened here today. All right, so we'll kind of go back to the beginning of the day. Let's start here about 9:40. All right, so initially we had this move up starting with about 9:15. Then at about 9:40 we had this consolidation bar. Now this is using the NASDAQ Renko chart. These are Navi Renko charts. All right, so everyone should be able to see this gold frame bar. In fact, I'm going to put a highlighter right here. Everybody see that? Consolidation bar. That's the gold frame bar. Look what happened when we broke below it. We moved down. In fact, let's put a crosshairs on the screen. About 11,560 to 11,468. So almost 100 point, but let's call it a 90 point move down here. And look at this next consolidation bar. Look what happened when we broke above it. Consolidation bar here. All right, so I told you I'm going to show you something here today that you can learn in just a matter of a couple minutes. There's a consolidation bar here where we moved above it. Consolidation bar here moved higher. Consolidation bar here moved lower. Consolidation bar over here moved higher. Consolidation bar here moved lower. Now as we got into the lunchtime, we go ahead and redo some of those drawings on the chart. All right, so look at this consolidation bar here. We moved up, and then we consolidated over here, moved down. I'll just move the chart down so you can see it. Consolidation bar there, consolidation bar here. Now as we got into the lunchtime, typically I don't trade during the lunchtime because you kind of get this choppy situation. So what will happen during the lunchtime sessions, typically we'll go sideways for a while. Then we'll either break up or down out of a consolidation. All right, so we consolidate. So anytime we get these alternating signals, it just means we're getting consolidation. And you can avoid that just by, like usually around 11:30 till about 12:30 or so. I would avoid trading in most cases. All right, so here we ultimately broke above that consolidation. All right, so look what happened here. Moved up, and here's the next consolidation bar. All right, consolidation bar here. Okay, so look where we're at now. Okay, This is a trade where I went short here below that consolidation bar that I'm pointing at. And what will happen at this point is the NASDAQ will eventually consolidate again. It's not doing it yet.
All right, so please click on the like and subscribe button, and it helps the YouTube algorithm to push our content out to more people to help them. I'll leave a link in the description area below so you can be notified of our free upcoming live events. Thanks for watching this video.